Hello everyone, my name is Karla and I am a dietitian and I work for Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Today we're in this beautiful kitchen at Urban Health Plan. Urban Health Plan is a network of community health centers in the Bronx, Manhattan, and Queens. And we came together to bring you these beautiful recipe videos. Today we have recipes inspired by the holidays that you can use year-round. So let's get cooking. So let's make roasted mashed sweet potatoes. First things first, we're gonna turn on the oven at 325 degrees just to start warming it up. Then we're gonna prep the garlic to roast it. We're gonna roast a whole garlic bulb. You can do more than one if you really like the flavor of garlic. The way to do that, we're gonna cut off the top of the garlic bulb so that we can expose the tops of the garlic cloves. And then we're gonna take a little bit of foil and we're gonna add some salt and a little bit drizzle of olive oil. Make sure that it hits the tops of the garlic. Then we're gonna wrap it up in the foil and we're gonna put it in a baking pan. You can do, if you're gonna do more than one, you have to do this for each garlic bulb. Then for the sweet potatoes, we're just gonna make sure we wash them very well and wrap each and every one individually in foil. So once we have all of our sweet potatoes wrapped up, our garlic, we're gonna roast it in the oven at 325 for about 45 minutes to an hour, which is great because if you're roasting a turkey or a pork shoulder, it's perfect. It's time enough to take it off the oven sort of at the same time. So after, we're gonna unwrap our roasted sweet potatoes and we're going to take the peel off. It should come out easily. If you pinch, you should be able to remove the peel with your hands like this. This smells so yummy. And we're gonna throw it in any mixing bowl that you have around. I'm gonna use this large measuring cup. Throw it there. I'm just gonna make a few to show you. Again, we're gonna pinch the skin and remove the skin from the sweet potato. It should be super easy. Perfect. Next, we have our roasted garlic. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna unwrap it and we're gonna squeeze the contents of the garlic bowl. The garlic should be nice and caramelized and super soft. It smells great. So this is how it looks like. And you should be able to squeeze it out. See that? So delicious. So we're gonna throw this on to our cooked sweet potatoes. Perfect. It smells so good. So now here, this is where we can get a little creative and where you can modify the recipe. If you want, because I know there's some people that need a little bit of more calories. So if you want more calories, you can use whole milk or soy milk And you can add a little bit more butter or more oil to add that extra fat, those extra calories. If you want it lighter, then we're gonna choose to use 1% milk or almond milk or any type of milk that you like that is light for you. And instead of using 4 tablespoons of butter or oil, we're gonna use 2. In this case, I have 1% milk, and I'm gonna start adding a little bit so that we can start mashing. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of, this is vegan butter, which you can also use. You can use olive oil or you can use regular butter, unsalted or salted, whichever you prefer. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And you can do this to taste. Then we're gonna take a fork or a whisk to start mashing. You can also do this if you have a standing mixer or a hand mixer. You could do this also with the mixer to make it nice and fluffy, but a whisk will do the trick. Make sure that you squeeze and you mix the roasted garlic cloves too. And continue to mix until it's nice and creamy. Oop. It smells amazing. And this is our fabulous roasted mashed sweet potatoes. This is a great way of eating sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber and packed with vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin A, which is great for our immune system, our skin, and the health of our hair, nails, and of course our eyes. So I encourage you to try this recipe, and let's try it. Here are both of our holiday inspired recipes. Our roasted garlic mashed sweet potatoes turned out amazing, and our garlic and herb roasted turkey breast. I really do hope you try these recipes. They turn out delicious, and they're super easy to modify, super easy to prepare, and they're very holiday friendly, but you can really make them year round. And thank you to Urban Health Plan for allowing us to film these videos in this beautiful kitchen, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.